first of all to all the peoples. In the last video I got 9 to around 7 comments that are how much and so beautiful and so appreciative. I don't even think like how many people really want to start this journey, and I am actually appreciating all those peoples who are ready to go with me in this journey. So the past 2 weeks I am stuck at learning and analyzing process. As we know, I am starting my personal branding agency in the India, and currently I am in my learning phase because I want to deliver the best and the best results to my client, so they never can go any other agency and get best performative results from my agency. So currently I am working on it, and in the last week I am distributed my energy in analyzing the things because my college also started and I am learning things. I have less time to put in the work to optimize my workflow because my college was started from the 1st July and I am right now struggling with managing the time. But I made a consistent approach to optimize my workflow. So in the last week is not really too much good because my college suddenly started and I have to also optimize my things to go well played with college, because my focus is truly distributed into multiple things. I'm not cramming, I'm not crying, that's not my thing, but I'm saying that I will optimize things. That's why I created a night owl workday optimization system. So instead of waking up early in the morning, I will stretch my working hours in the night time, so I have a good flow of working throughout the system, like 5 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. That's the working hours for my special learning and executing all these things. So in last 3 weeks, the top 3 things I learned in the situation that are this way. So these are the mix of 3 things. First is content creation, another is motivation, and we can say another is personal branding. So basically, let me say that the first thing I learned in this last week is that focus over motivation. Like, my motivation system is like this. Sometimes it goes up and sometimes the bar goes down. So what thing I learned in the last week that I optimized in last Sunday, I mean yesterday, that if I can do focus on any task rather than trying to take motivation from the external world, then I will more fail. I have to learn things very focusedly rather than taking the motivation from the external world, like scrolling reels, watching more motivational content. All this stuff are not actually making any progress to me. That's the first thing I learned. The second thing I actually learned is that your positioning in the personal branding is very important, because no one gonna buy from you if you are positioned yourself as below in the baseline of all these creators and all these gurus. Because currently the audience is very smart. They analyze, they understand things very well, because this is not 2016 or 2017 where people can buy from you on the basis of your promises. Currently your promises are just the baseline of the market. You have to, if you actually want that people buy from you, you have to upskill your content, upskill your offer with proper storytelling to build the emotional bond with your audience. That's the second thing I learned in the last week. And the third thing that is also from the personal branding, or we can say it's from content creation part, and that is audience is your clarity. if you are undefined about your audience na, like who you are targeting, what are their emotional gaps, what are their customer journey, if you are undefined your audience persona, and you are just like throwing the arrow in the wrong direction. If you want to kill that bird eyes, so you have to be focused, laser focused about your audience, and you have to be understand that the core between your targeted audience and ideal audience persona, or we can also say ICP, but that ideal customer persona. But thing are important is be specific, be more clear, and approach your audience persona like the main quest in the personal branding system. So these are the top 3 learning where I described why focus is important. And another is audience retention comes from when you are actually cleared about your audience. And the third is you have to be clear about your position, how you can position yourself in the market. Don't be like other creators. Don't randomly copy other people's, because that are the baseline of the market. If you want to upsell or scale your own business, you have to go here, not here. So these are the top 3 things that I learned in the past week to be better. Just try, because God always gave them who are doers, not dreamers. We all have goals, we all have projects, side quest, but the thing really matters is who will start it. The only thing I can say to you currently, the best version you are looking for now is inside you. You have remembered that quote? It sounds like the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. And you know the second best time to plant a tree? Today. So basically just start. There is no need to be perfection, just simple progress that make us better. So by the sake of God, I will tell you that keep moving the needle forward, and thank you.